Hey guys, it's Show for you, and today I'm gonna show you how you can make this kind of frame in your photo in the best quality available. You can check out my link. I'll be giving the links where you can download the frame. The software that we are using is an open source software which has been converted into an app, and the app's link will be in the description. First, you can download that, and once you download that, follow along with this video. PST file that will be in my Google Drive, that is then linked with the IGTV that I'll be providing you. After that, open Photopea. You go to File, Open. Find your PST file. Once you open it, you'll find a message from me. You can read it. After that you'll find an image like this. What you have to do is you have to mess around with anything else. Just go along and import your photo that you want to add the frame to. This is my friend Alvin. Once you have the photo, you have to adjust the photo accordingly so that it covers the whole space. Once you have done that, you go to this layer, select that and drag down below the photos. Once that takes place, go around, adjust if needed. In my case, I don't need that. You can either go mix and match with different layers, or you can select the one that you want. In this case, I'll go with this. Once that is done, you put the export it as a JPG. Already this is the Instagram size that is most preferable. You can either up the quality or keep it around where you are comfortable. In my case, I'm directly uploading it into Instagram, so I'll keep it at 70. You can customly write that too. Once you save it, you'll get an option and your picture is available. So once again guys, it's Show for you, and you can join the Facebook group and also get different frames and all the different goodies, LUTs and all different things on monthly basis, and also interact with many of the other creatives that are joining us, and have a very good community of creators. Thank you and have a nice day.